Hey guys, welcome back. This is a Kia EV6. I just installed the EV battery, but I messed up a little bit. Well, the EV battery is good though. I messed up because I didn't know this one is also a concern. This is your washer motor, and when they came in, there is a line for this, and I missed it. So yeah, I did not look at this. I just focused on the big concern, which is the EV battery. And I ordered the EV battery, I install it when I'm doing my story, and I saw this and I'm like, shoot, I did not say it, but it's right here, and we're gonna go ahead and verify it. They said it's not working. Let's see. All right, let's go ahead if we can verify this concern. Turn on. Yep, I don't have any fluid coming out. So yeah. Oops, I did not see it during my EV battery diagnosis, but oh well. Sorry, Mr. Customer, for the delay, but we'll figure this out. All right, let's go ahead and hook this up, and let's talk to the computer. All right, so we are here now. Let's do the actuation test. I believe this one's under ICU. Maybe. I could be wrong, but let's find out. Okay, so washer. Where is washer motor? Okay, it's not there. Oh, no. Okay, I need to find out where is that at. We can do manually, but I'd like to show you guys some cool stuff that you can do on this computer. There you go. BCM. We can go over there. Okay, so wiper relay. There's no washer. Wiper relay. Are we going? Let's try the wiper relay. I don't know if this wiper relay will work, but let's figure this out. I just want to show you guys some cool stuff here. So we verified the concern. Now we're just gonna go check power and ground using my homemade test light. There we go. Now I can just go ahead and use the multifunction switch to turn this on, but I would like to learn where I can actuate this using the computer, right? So I don't know, maybe I don't see it, but there is a wiper here somewhere. Where are you, buddy? There you go. It says wiper switch wash or wiper mist right there. Let's see if we can able to do that. Okay, so I found more information down here. Wiper. There we go. Start. Well, that's not it because the wiper moved, but this guy does not turn on. That's not it. Which one? Or maybe he doesn't have it. Wiper low. and it's gonna be low, and this thing, it's not turning on. Okay, that's not it. We might end up doing it manually, guys, but I have not done this on the EV6 and I want to learn too. But I don't see it. I don't see this option. Oh well, we tried, right? Now we're just gonna go ahead and manually do it. Hopefully my camera will see it. All right, it's right there, guys, and I'm gonna turn this thing on using the multi-function switch. Oh, there you go. Oops. Woohoo! You guys see that? Every time I turn it on, my test light will turn on. So that means from this multi-function switch all the way there, we have power and ground and everything works, right? Yes, sir.
It's locked up.
It is?
Yeah.
Now we can recommend this guy, and obviously we don't have it, so we're gonna wait for a couple more days to replace it. Again, I apologize, customer, for the delay, but I took care of it. All right. Okay, that's all for today, guys. I hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye.